this is Kat with Biadaholique, and in this video I'm going to introduce to you two new 2-hole Czech glass beads. So we have the Chevron bead here, and we have the Ginko bead. Now these are great. You can see that I've just used a couple of head pins because I want you to see the thread paths that go through these beads, but these are great to incorporate into all of your multi-hole dimensional bead weaving. So let's first start talking about the Chevron bead. So the Chevron has that nice little pointed edge there, and I love that it's got these points at the bottom, so you get a really nice sharp little arrow. Now what's great is you can see over here that we have some arrows sort of together, but you can also use them as little frames here. And you can see one of the examples that I did. You can see where they come together, and I used these great little things. They are Toho demi-round seed beads, and these are the 11/0 size, and they just provide just that little extra space so you can really see that shape pop through. So also in here you can see that you can put 3 of them kind of together to create a nice little unit there. And these are the Czech glass 2-hole cabochon beads, so you can see that they play really nicely with other 2-hole beads. So here are some of the colors that we have. We have some great silvers, and I love this matte black. I think that's going to be great to incorporate. We have some beautiful ivories. I love this bronze. Again, we have a lot of nice matte colors here and some shiny colors. You can sort of see that we have this kind of coppery one in a matte, and then this version in a little bit more of a shiny finish. Now, as you can see, these are sold by the strand, so you get a lot of beads to choose from. So this is a great thing. You can kind of buy different colors and mix and match. Really, really wonderful and really fun to work with. All right, so let's move on to the Ginko beads here. And I just want to show you that this project here uses the chevron and the Ginkos together, so you can see that they actually play really nice. So when I say that they work well with other 2-hole beads, the Ginkos can be those beads. All right, now the Ginkos, let me draw your eye back down here. This is, again, showing you that thread path that goes through there. But what you might not be seeing on the video, but I just want to kind of point out to you, is that as you look across the top, it actually slopes a little bit down. It doesn't come to a point, but you can see that in the little example that I've kind of set up here. Hopefully you're seeing that light kind of dance across the top, and you're seeing it slope down to the tip there. It's ever so slightly, but what it does do is it gives you that nice petal-like effect, or almost like a scale-like effect. Like you can see that I've kind of set them up here, and you could make some fun designs by kind of nesting them into each other. So really, really cute. And then also don't forget that you can use them as petals, and you can point and use the points outward, but they also work great when you sort of string them together. And these are strung with the Minos Parpuka. So these are single hole beads, but they kind of nest right into those little notches. All right, and again, we have some beautiful colors here, but I want to show you one more project. Let me just sort of bring it in. It looks beautiful on the bust here. And what we have is that nice little row of those Ginko beads, and here we see them playing really nicely with those Czech glass mini super duos. So those are really, really nice, and just some seed beads in there as well. So this is a great little design idea just to add a little extra embellishment. So again, we have some beautiful colors. You can see some of the options that we have here. Again, we have some that are matte, we have some that are shiny, so you can really choose and mix and match. Now, all of these ones up here, these are just little samples, but I did want to point out this is a full lot over here, so you do actually get a lot of beads, so you can make some really fun designs. So this is what the full lot looks like, and these are just little color samples. I just wanted to point that out for you. But that's it. These are the Chevron and the Ginko beads. These are 2-hole Czech glass beads, and they're going to work really great with other multi-hole beads. You can shop all of these beads and see all of these tutorials that you've seen here by heading over to Beadaholique.com.